Jill, I have a mini detailer for you. This is, yes, it's going to be very cute. Because the plates are triangular, they're not round, they're not flat. So we're going to be able to get lift in there. We can like flip or flick or...
See how flat it is at the moment.
We'll get lift right in there. We can control any cowlicks that you get in the back, like your bangs. So I'm going to show you how,
Okay.
but you're going to do it too.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Okay, so we're going to start with lift at the root. So you're just going to take a section that's like the size of the brush, right? So it's like 2 inches, maybe 1 inch. And what's cool is you're just going to go right to the scalp, feel that?
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to flip up.
Okay.
And we're just going to hold it there, pushing forward like for 5 seconds, just to get lift right down at that scalp. And then however you want to come through, you can come through straight. I can just bend this a little bit.
Whoa.
Right? So you just get lift without getting the curl.
Good. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Perfect.
There you go.
Down.
Yep. Right on the scalp because you can't burn yourself. And then you're going to flip it up, but keep it down on your scalp. Okay. Meaning this is going to end up laying flat. So flip the teeth up.
Way.
Yeah,
okay.
That's it. Nice. Then hold that for about 5 seconds. And then when you come through, just kind of brush through, bending the ends under however you want them to go. There you go.
Whoa. All right, that's
Job.
way easier than I thought.
Now that we got all this great lift in your whole crown area, I mean, that's great.
That's lifted.
So we can do the same. You could lift your bangs, but also if you want your bangs a little more down, let's just say we're going to do a flick. All you have to do is come in, see how it's in the teeth, and literally just come over and flick it to the side.
Oh, love that.
You want to try that?
Yes, I do.
Just feed it right in there. There you go. And then just flick it to the side.
Flick. Cute.
Good job.
So easy. So I have a question. Is it possible for me to just kind of like direct my hair where I need it to go? Kind of smooth it out instead of lifting?
Yeah.
Okay.
So literally just use it like a brush and just put your hair where you want to go, but you want to go slow.
Okay.
And make sure the hair is feeded into
you kind of want to make sure it's getting the
in
heat.
there.
I
Exactly.
Gotcha.
And it's great. You know, like second day with short hair, how it's like.
Oh, it's everywhere in every direction.
Yeah, exactly. So you can just use it to kind of, smooth it straight down to wherever you want. Tuck it behind your ear. Exactly.
Okay, that's super easy. Even for the sideburns too, I think.
Yep. If you want them down, if you want them back. There you go.
So
Super cute. And Jill, Cowlicks in the morning
Oh.
is so great because you literally, I like to start lower in the cowlick first and just go nice and slow and kind of brush through that, and then at the top of it as well. But nice and slow, like you almost hold it in that cowlick for a second so that when you come through, it's just immediately gone.
Okay, so I love this look, but sometimes I like to wear my bangs more straight, like a true bang.
Yeah.
Can I do that?
Yes, because the detailer is great for that. Actually, you can either just section that area off that you're talking about because it's, it's really easy to kind of use it as you're styling with it. But we're just going to get those bangs. I like to get a little bit of lift. Okay. Just so they're not, or if not, you can go completely flat and then you just bring those. They're the perfect bang.
I know.
All right, I left a little section for you. Just that has a little pop. You can do it as much as you like. And then you just want to make sure those ends
kind
bend
of
under too. Yeah, just slightly. So it's not a big curl. Woo! Ooh. Isn't it nice? Because it's not a curl.
It's not a curl.
But it has that cute little wispy style to it.
Yeah, it gives you that texture even.
Yeah. So Jill, this is super cute, but there is one more thing. Like if you really just want to change your short haircut up, when you come to the sides here, I'm just going to take the sections and literally, see how I'm flicking them up?
Yes.
Yeah. So we're going to just go, so what's going to happen is we're just going to have this like kind of flirty, flicky style.
I like that.
And it's very easy to do.
That's cute.
See, like it's a little bit textury. It has a little sass. Yeah. So you can flick as well. And all you're going to do, I'll let you try, is you'll just take the section. I like to move the sections out of the way a little bit. I start underneath, put that in, and basically what you've been doing, but you're going up instead.
The opposite. Yeah. Oh my God, so versatile.
Perfect. Perfect. Flick. See? Joe, this is so cute because you literally did, I don't know how many, well,
3 at least.
3 styles with your shortcut. So we had a nice voluminous, you had your bang down, then you flicked your bang, then you made your bang, and then we literally kind of textured and flicked that out as well. So all you have to do is finish it off with spray, and super adorable.
Love it.